In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablets on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. XPPen Deco Pro. The XPPen Deco Pro Gen 2 graphics tablet combines advanced technology with user-friendly features, making it an ideal choice for artists and designers. With 3 different sizes, MW9 by 6 inch, LW11 by 7 inch, and XLW15 by 9 inch, and a sleek design, this tablet boasts an impressive 16,384 pressure levels, enabled by the innovative X3 Pro Smart Chip Stylus, ensuring precise and smooth line work. Users can enjoy a seamless drawing experience on a simulated paper surface, which supports both wired USB-C and Bluetooth connections for adaptability. With a resolution of 5080 LPI and compatibility with multiple operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Android, and Linux, the Deco Pro Gen 2 is well suited for a range of popular software applications. Ergonomically designed features, such as an X-Edge wrist rest and a wireless shortcut remote, enhance comfort and productivity, while a high-capacity lithium battery offers up to 10 hours of uninterrupted use. Each tablet comes with a 1-year warranty, reflecting XPPen's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Number 2. HUION Kamvas 13 Drawing Tablet. The HUION Kamvas 13 is a versatile pen tablet monitor designed for artists and creators, featuring a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 on a 13.3-inch display. Weighing only 980 g and measuring just 11.8 mm thick, it's highly portable, making it ideal for outdoor drawing. The tablet offers 8,192 pressure levels for precise input and supports easy connectivity through both Type-C to HDMI and Type-C to Type-C connections, allowing compatibility with a range of devices, including Android. Its vibrant IPS display boasts a 120% sRGB color gamut and a wide viewing angle of 178 degrees, ensuring vivid colors and details. The fully laminated screen minimizes parallax and includes an anti-glare protector for comfortable viewing in bright conditions. Users can switch between pen display and pen tablet modes, enhancing functionality, while 8 programmable press keys provide customizable shortcuts for improved workflow. The package includes essential accessories such as a digital pen, cables, a pen holder, and extra nibs, making the Kamvas 13 a comprehensive solution for digital artistry. Number 3. XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro. The XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro is a high-performance pen tablet monitor designed for digital artists, featuring a 15.6-inch full laminated IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. It boasts 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, a 5080 LPI resolution ratio, and supports tilt recognition up to 60 degrees, allowing for precise line work and natural brush effects. The device includes 8 customizable shortcut keys and a red dial for enhanced workflow efficiency. With an active area of 344.16 by 193.59 mm, it is crafted from durable ABS material and connects via USB. The Artist 15.6 Pro is compatible with Windows 10 8.7 and macOS 10.10 or later, making it versatile across various popular graphics software. Included in the package are essential accessories like a battery-free stylus, replacement nibs, a pen holder, a portable stand, and a cleaning cloth, ensuring users have everything they need to create digital art seamlessly. Number 4. HUION HS64 Drawing Tablets. The HUION HS64 is a compact and lightweight graphic tablet designed for digital artists and professionals, featuring a slim profile of just 8 mm thick and weighing only 258 g. It offers a working area of 160 by 102 mm and boasts 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity with a resolution ratio of 5080 LPI, ensuring precise and smooth drawing experiences. The tablet is compatible with various operating systems, including Android 6.0, Windows 7, and macOS 10.12 or later, and supports an OTG function for easy connection to mobile devices. Equipped with 4 customizable express keys, the HS64 allows users to streamline their workflow. It comes with a battery-free stylus, PW100, making it energy efficient, and includes essential accessories like nibs, a micro USB cable, and an OTG adapter. This versatile tablet is suitable for a range of applications, from digital art creation to online education and remote work. Number 5. GAOMON M10K Graphic Tablet. The GAOMON M10K is a versatile graphic tablet designed for digital artists, featuring a spacious 10.1-inch active area with a resolution of 5080 LPI and 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, ensuring smooth and precise drawing experiences. The tablet includes a battery-free stylus that utilizes advanced passive technology, eliminating the need for charging and providing a natural drawing feel. It boasts a range of customizable features, including a touch ring, a round key for zooming, and 10 express keys for quick access to shortcuts, enhancing workflow efficiency. Compatible with various operating systems such as Windows 7, 8, 10 and macOS 10.10 or later, the M10K supports popular creative software like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Creator. With a lightweight design and user-friendly features, this tablet is an excellent choice for artists, engineers, and anyone involved in digital drafting or sketching.